And tonight, we honor the individuals who embody this spirit, those who uplift others, lead by example, and help move our organization forward.
Never met a match I couldn't handle. No one else could ever hold a candle.
Through their dedication and commitment, they remind us that when one succeeds, we all succeed.
For this, I was born. For this, never met a match I couldn't handle. No one else could ever hold a candle. Get ready for the battle, 'cause you know I was born. I tell you I was born for this. Ain't nothing gonna stop me now.
Moving up as one reminds us that progress is not achieved alone.
It is the result of teamwork, unity, and a shared vision for growth.
Tonight, under these golden skies, we gather not just to celebrate achievements, but to honor hard work, discipline, and true spirit of may galing at malasakit.
I hope that we will celebrate the fact that we are all here, we stayed the course, we kept the faith, and every single one of you in this room tonight is still here to share in that victory.
To our agri-bankers, our partners in Central Luzon and Cagayan Valley, you truly represent the cream of the crop. Maraming salamat sa inyong sipag, disiplina, at tapat na dedikasyon. Success is never built by one unit alone, but by one united agribank working together.
Tonight, we didn't just recognize excellence. We celebrate the people who made Agribank strong and move forward. And tayong lahat yon.
Congratulations to all of our awardees. Tonight, we celebrate your success. And tomorrow, we build even greater victories as one agribank. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi sa ating lahat.